know I waited a couple of days because the update from the track. And let me tell you, the car worked, well, not flawlessly, but better. I'm becoming a better driver. I'm cutting better. Well, I finally cut a good light, like a 077. So there's some room for improvement, but it is definitely much better than what it was. I'm starting to stick a 60-foot, and I'm working on getting that shift out near the 330 down to be a little bit better. So had my best personal time ever. The 660 pass is the fastest I've ever gone to the 8th. And I had a great time out there Friday night with everybody from Bremerton. I'll be back at it again before the end of the month, and we'll play the same game. We've been playing the game like, hey, guess what I'm going to run? Speed and time. And the winner's either going to get a coffee gift certificate or lunch with Ignite U. So just dropping the update. Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you're with your loved ones, enjoying the day. Peace.